know where we're going, but I'm comfortable. Feeling out of body, you can take my soul. Light speed, energy, straight G-force. No bland plates when you got hot sauce. That's fast. Never had it like that, so bad. No, I'll never go back so fast. Even if it gon' crash, I'm gon' make it last. Stimulated when the tempo changing. Oh, I can't explain it. Tell me what's this feeling? It's taking me high.
How long can I leave the lights in the ceiling on? And the static from the TV keeps me company till I'm gone. 'Cause I rock back and forth, reciting words that I've said wrong. I swear I've been doing fine, but I'm busy and got things going on. I should go what you're running from. Or maybe there's something at the midnight hours, you know. Maybe there's something at the dead of night when I'm sleeping alone, where we always see your face. God, I wish I didn't know. Can I have one night where it's just me alone? Is it 'cause I've been feeling guilty all along? Or is it the God's just trying to tell me to move on? 'Cause while you're haunting me, that's what you've done. So go what you're running from. Maybe there's something at the midnight hours, you know. Maybe there's something at the dead of night when I'm sleeping alone, where we always see your face. God, I wish I didn't know. Can I have one night where it's just me alone? So I know what it feels like. So I wake up in the daylight, my chest ain't heavy, 'cause you're not there with me. Tell me when I will be, because I rock back and forth, reciting words that I've said wrong. I swear I've been doing fine, but I'm busy and got things going on. So what am I running from? Well, maybe there's something in the midnight hours, you know. Or maybe there's something in the dead of night when I'm sleeping alone, where we always see your face. God, I wish I didn't know. Can I have one night where it's just me alone? One night, yeah. So can I have one night, just one night? One night, can I have one night, just one night, where it's just me alone?
Remember all the times when you and I said we're done, but we faked it. Look into your eyes, I don't recognize since your love for me faded. And I know that we've grown apart, as big as it is, we could feed a whole planet. I know we probably better off a distance, but I need proximity till I understand what's missing. You won't like that version of me. Bottom line is we're too different, but I love when you're next to me. Probably better off a distance, but I need proximity. We've been arguing too loud, got complaints from the neighbors. Yeah. Seems like we've gotten good at acting like strangers. Girl, don't it make you wonder what kind of game are we playing? What kind of game are we playing? The only thing we discovered is what we not saying. I know we probably better off a distance, but I need proximity till I understand what's missing. You won't like that version of me. Bottom line is we're too different, yeah, but I love when you're next to me. Probably better off a distance, but I need proximity. Probably better off with distance.
Holding you close, sometimes I push you away, won't let you go. I guess I'm just too afraid to let you know how bad I want you to stay here.
Oh, I'm holding you close.
Holding you close, sometimes I push you away, won't let you go. I guess I'm just too afraid to let you know how bad I want you to stay here.
How bad I want you to stay. Probably better off a distance, but I need proximity till I understand. You don't like that version. Bottom line is we're too different, yeah, but I love when you're next to me. Probably better off a distance, but I need proximity. I need proximity, yeah.
Maybe one day I can see you. We can smile and wave and it'll be okay. Maybe one day it'll be cool. We could just be friends without the complications that it brings. When we start saying things. Yeah, I hurt you and you hurt me. Yeah, we did some things that we can never take back, and we tried hard just to fix it, but we broke it more. And so I guess some things are not meant to last. Is it too much to ask for tonight? Let's love like there's no goodbye. Just for tonight, pretend that it's all alright. Why don't we hold each other, use each other, whisper pretty lies? Just for tonight, let's love like there's no goodbyes. No goodbyes, no goodbyes, no goodbyes. Hey. In a dark room, we don't have to see the light of truth between me and you. We can stay blind in the meantime. Let our bodies say what we can never seem to communicate. Even though it's too late. For tonight, let's love like there's no goodbye. Just for tonight, pretend that it's all alright. Why don't we hold each other, use each other, whisper pretty just smile and wave and be okay. For tonight, let's love like there's no goodbye. For tonight, pretend that it's all alright. Why don't we hug each other, choose each other, whisper pretty lies, just for tonight. Let's love like there's no goodbyes. No goodbyes, no goodbyes, no goodbyes. Eh. No goodbyes, no goodbyes, no goodbyes. Eh.
You gotta go and get angry at all of my honesty. You know I try, but I don't do too well with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time, cause someone call a referee. Cause I just need one more shot, have forgiveness. I know you know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. And by once or twice I mean maybe a couple of 100 times. So let me redeem on myself tonight. Cause I just need one more shot, second chances. Yeah. Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? Take every single piece of the blame if you want me to. But you know that there is no innocent one in this game for two. But I go, and then you go out and spill the truth. Can we both say the words and forget this? Yeah. Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh.